family. Dear friends, let's explore various wonderful animal families. What is the chicken family like? Let's check it out. Chicken. What is Mr. Rooster doing? Mr. Rooster crows to wake everyone up at day. Let's ask Mr. Rooster to wake Miss Hens up. Look, Miss Hens are still sleeping. Let's wake them up with Mr. Rooster. Rooster is so amazing! He has woken all Miss Hens up! Wow! Miss Hens are going to lay eggs! Let's take care of them together! Miss Hens need the appropriate environment to lay eggs. Wow! Miss Hens have laid eggs! Little quiz! In the chicken family, who crows to wake everyone up at daybreak? Mr. Rooster. Miss Hen. Awesome! You are right! Only Mr. Rooster can crow loudly. In the chicken family, who is responsible for hatching eggs? Miss Hen. Mr. Rooster. Awesome! You are right! Miss Hen can lay eggs. Wow! You've got a nice sticker! Let's check out Little Panda's encyclopedia. Dear friends, let's explore various wonderful animal families. What would happen in the lion family? Let's check it out. Lion. Wow, a pride of lions! Daddy Lion is protecting Mommy Lion and the baby lions. Let's help him. Let's help Daddy Lion drive the terrible hyenas away. Keep the hyenas away from the baby lions. There are more and more hyenas. kangaroos away. The baby lions seem to be hungry. Mommy lion takes care of the baby lions in the pride. Look! Antelopes! They ran away. Let's look for them. Follow the sign of antelopes and you'll find them. We are so close! Keep going, Mommy Lion! The antelopes are over here! Oh no! The antelopes are getting away! Let's chase them! We are so close! Keep going, Mommy Lion! Little quiz! In the lion family, who has round ears and short hair? Mommy lion. Daddy lion. Awesome! You are right! Mommy lion has round ears and short hair. In the lion family, who hunts for prey for the baby lions? Mommy lion. Daddy lion. Awesome! You are right! In the lion family, Mommy lion hunts for prey for the baby lions and takes care of them. Wow! You've got a nice sticker! Female lion. Dear friends, let's explore various wonderful animal families. What would the kangaroo family do? Let's check it out. Kangaroo. Daddy kangaroo is practicing boxing. Oh no! The wild dog is harassing Mommy kangaroo. Let's drive the terrible wild dogs away with Daddy kangaroo. Wild dogs like to harass Mommy kangaroo and baby kangaroos. Let's drive them away with Daddy kangaroo. Daddy kangaroo jumps forward through the support of his strong tail. Eating mushrooms will make Daddy kangaroo stronger. Keep going, Daddy kangaroo! Daddy kangaroo has driven the wild dogs away and win the heart of Mommy kangaroo. The naughty baby kangaroos ran away. Let's help Mommy kangaroo to get the baby kangaroos back. The baby kangaroos got lost in the forest. Let's help get them back. There are so many dirty leaves in the pouch of Mommy Kangaroo. Let's help her clean it up. Where is the other baby kangaroo? The baby kangaroo is hungry. Let's feed it.